Let us continue with our basic emissions. Now we are on basic 3. Some intuition is needed to find the location of the hidden password file. Requirements: basic HTML knowledge. Click on basic 3. This time, Network Security Sam remembered to upload the password file, but there were deeper problems than that. So let's try to solve this. Pause the video first, give it a try. Okay, so here's the solution. As usual, right click and view the page source. Press Ctrl F to open the search text input box and key in the string password. Over here you will find the form as usual, but this time there is a new input. This time this input type is called hidden, and the name of the input is file, and the value that will be sent is password PHP. So when the user click on the submit button, this input will be sent to the server as well. Now the reason why this input is sent to the server is probably so that the index.php will know what password file to look at to retrieve the password. So that is why the developer has put this as an input hidden. Input hidden types are not shown over here, but it will be sent to the server when you click post. So in order to find out the password file, no need to wait for the index.php to look for it. We can open it ourselves by copying this file and then at the back here, let's repeat this URL first, and now we copy this file name and put it at the back. Then press enter and you should see the password. Copy the password and put it in here. Click submit. And the level is solved. This is the way PHP files are being used. They are being fetched by the client browser, but normally the PHP will be processed at the server side. Now part of the way in which PHP works is to echo the text to whoever requests for it. So an example of a echo will be something like this. Normally in your PHP, you will start your PHP like this. This is how you create a PHP script, and then echo will be like this, and then maybe your password is 1234556. So this is how the PHP sends data back to whoever requests for data. So in this case, the password PHP file contains probably this code, and it contains this password here, like this. That's the reason why when you enter the password.php file on the URL and click enter, it gives you this result back. This result is the result of the echo statement. Now normally we don't echo the password back to us, but this is a mistake by the programmer. The programmer should not have sent this along, but should have probably hard-coded it somewhere inside the index.php. but maybe he designed the system in such a way that index.php must be given what file to look for when looking for a password. So that's why he wants to send this file as part of the form, so that index.php will know that the password is contained in this file. So this is an error on the part of the developer. So that's all for this explanation. Thank you for watching.